been a few weeks, almost a month actually. Got most of the parts in for the C3 scooter. So let's get things rearranged with the new parts alongside the old parts, and we'll put her back together. So I'm really disappointed. I'm really disappointed in this fender. The original fender is silver, and I did find this fender on eBay, and of course the listing said item as shown, which the picture, it's silver, spray painted from blue. What are you gonna do? Alright, so got the scooter in place, got the panels laid out. I think what we have to do first is the bottom floor pan, top floor pan. Then we'll do the forks, or the front. We'll do the front panels next after that, and then the side panels. What's going to be interesting about putting this back together is making sure that I put the screws back in place to get those out before I put the parts back on. Kept the screws for sure, but I was surprised to see that the actual metal clips, also these metal clips, I'm going to need to reinstall those from the old onto the new, hopefully not for all the parts, but I kept the screws, but the only thing that shipped was just plastic, so these metal clips are going to have to go as well. I think there's just 4. There's like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tried cleaning up this piece a bit. It's definitely going to still need some Armor All or something. It's very faded plastic, and it's got cracks in it too, so it's definitely far from perfect.
Take a real close look now. Soon you'll realize you don't know what's coming down. I got you hypnotized. Take a real close look now. I'm gonna show you how. I'm about to get down. So keep it up right now. So keep it up. So keep it up with me. I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy. You gotta roll the dice. You wanna choose.
Got the floor pan just loose end. When I start trying to tighten these up and trying to bring the bottom pan into alignment, and then we'll get the screws in. I think floor pan will be done, with the exception of where it connects to the side panels and the front panel. So the bottom panel wasn't on right. I had this underneath, sort of like it is over on this side. it's got a cutout in it. Can you see that? And so that cutout is, I think it's supposed to go above it. And just those few millimeters is what was preventing it from lining up. That is the floor pan, upper and lower done, I think. Missing a screw here. But aside from that, we're good. To fender next. Three bolts in there, but they've got this special alignment washer. Gotta make sure you get that in. Alright, so about this front panels. You know what? Let's do the brake handle. Brake handle. Should have done the brake handle first. Don't know how much I'm gonna be able to show of this, but I'll try. Simple enough. Actually, much easier with the handle on. Where did this screw on? I think that's twisted around to like that, right? Yes. That's where that goes. Just goes in there. Done. Alright, that is the back panel on with the ignition and the side screw on the inside. Well, that's the top, sides, front and back, all buttoned up. Let's focus our attention on the side panels.
She wanna know me, I stay low-key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one.
Alright, we are pretty much done with just button up a few things. Put our VIN plate back in.
I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your mind.
I said this floor pan's got cracks in it. There's a crack here, right where the hinge for the door or the fuel door goes in. So I am not super confident.
Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all.
Seems all right. What else? Front cover.
I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own.
I think that's
A
it.
couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me some.
And that is the C3 reassembled.
When we get home, if you let me put it down. When I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me.